Yeah, Ubia. I mean, Cow was executive producer, Edma Jumedino, Era Kofi Anton, Balfour Samson, and Anna Kofi Korea Jamanigi, Krobia Sante, Pasolo Paradise, and I think so. I drop Pokia Ewanam or 13 up Finsono, yes, the prodigal son, and then so, the writer commentator, boy, come. Na BBI kama that's real fear bidin Kelvin and Ponsa D and interview kakra ho yes you Bema McFadden yes McFadden and no company and I said John Mark on a CEO and so the man McFadden yes McFadden Enterprise me kind of say yes on a CEO John Mark on a CEO now and you know a secure sponsorship deal and a partnership deal with their Black Queens Ababawa Didim and so Priscilla Archery Priscilla Timo Techie no a born club football and so the man Hataya Sport and you know McFadden and so no sponsor secure a partnership deal and also you be room now maybe South John Mark and she say any fab any deal no senior moon come out here chana near the Priscilla so na din komo e kwan so far so want to be say McFadden you know and also no etimi a partner na obaben artworks any ade nyina and so no etimi de man this an come on so no baba so jumedi so a yebedi ewa ha join the live on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 sounds on YouTube Okuman Radio 97.1 phone line tonight and ye juma no 0551 667755 0551 667755 and at 0270 191-971 0270-191-971 and here WhatsApp SMS ebripem bima kunya na so afraba na do agenche area ba Ghana Premier League Samson Enra champ tournament Black Galaxies and Coach and Walker omunya din komo enso no ewo ho iti agenche no o de beba krobia wa ha mama na kwa ba na yewrem na mananensem kakra wo no ono so no etumi area ba na ne krobia information menya no ano din say no said fear mantem chief no so na yen kwana chief you know and also I don't know grab ya say bia kama
e ka oba dia dama bia ye fine pop
I would try na no so
awade aba ntino ye be ma obi bia so no akwaba ene wie ye dia ba Okuman Radio 97.1 Okuman Global Sports ya catch say the 2023 no ye buy in a grand style ntino ya chasi ya na ya bubum na nyomo etumi akonkan
okay weekend ni ko ye
come up
all right.
I think Friday no Saturday no mu ana kusi ade nso ye koni na mu anti bibia e kama bibia konkan pa
amana ni samo ho
yo na Zavi Guswa so the only me stands from last season obeje jawamu eki okrofone aye wiku
yo nya chi abrakatwa no pe dakara no onze we are never mano
akoda won hire
za from na ofo na no ventua pa to da tire za akora ketwa no ya ne de papa penyu jana so no onze normal basa abobo a which formation na Julius Kundi all right but na rewo ne bia Christians and na ze Eric but onze aye Madrid no because of pace and power and yes society Kundi if you right back about central defense and they are rewo equal right back and I rewo ya juma na fantastic papa point Vinicius Junior and there aye ne say stab you omanpanyini ane aye kwesi na ntachi enti no ba ku hye ba ku botom enti no sa pe na
Ojiya moye den o
info na tumman ko
edra mete munka
man ko bi Ojiya ba nko katana amu se man fuku go Ojiya ade no man se stand crofam
ana mi so moye den ho edra mete munka but menti ase
info asam na ken
Black Galaxies what's the Ghana team bi wo ho
Black Galaxies tournament no bo African
and so far emu nkomo te den
first game and ramfa
nti muguso
send Ghana the slow status
okay yankombra
I don't know yabako na krobia amana nesam anonso no atumi ade abremo
el Chicharito ahí la tiene Torrado tiene Gio, no hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? Gio. ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy.
Right, yebemo bibia ha e dia ba koma 97.1 ebredu say the okoma Global Sports afternoon edition no yehye ni nyina so ebetumi ahyehye so sabria ye kwe no e ya monane nsem a yabo boana ye de ni nyina enso e de eba ebibremu ene Europa brochi memu ana nei ensem ni nyina yabo boano a ye de ehon nsem no so no e de eba na Kofi Okore Ajman together with Eke enso etumi abo boan samra no a Pasoro Paradise wo mo atachi ekrunche nsem no de egu krata so se menko no kwanten kro na me fa manfo kro so nsem no enfam bedan yetiefo ne yahwefo uremu all the social media platforms Jumedi ne sonom chegu and special on Facebook and YouTube no Okoma Radio 97.1 on Facebook sanso on YouTube no Okoma Radio 971 udu announce way to me subscribe to the channel no Facebook na Facebook nso no way to me I like page no follow na YouTube nso no subscription no way to me aya ne kama na dani nyina Jumedi awdo betwegu ni nyina no nso way to me first person nso be to me get in touch na enjoy Jumedi awdo ekoso enso e Okoma Radio 97.1 and in social media handles no na ne omanso to me akonkan ye tena se ya ensem no na ye de born emum no wo mo sebi obodamfo be botama obodam enso edifrifie tie be hyase enso ye de fi the African continent tournament kese no so ekoso e Algeria we no e locally based players amai ni nyina enso to me assemble e de akwa akohwemu se ne Algeria wo mo ana ye host nations other nations we no mu nyina wo mo so e hosti wo mo amani omanso no etumi akonkan timi kono na edin amede ko ye krobia asante be buewremu e first round matches etumi atodwa so for us group stages ni nyina enso eye concern e African Nations Championship ya Trinity a friend channel Jumedi no so eguso ekoso na danu fiada ana ne host nation enso etumi ebie tournament na no eye Algeria womo ene Libya netumi eboy Algeria enya a go to nil womo so etumi e de win womo first game enso e group ni mu etoko so danu memenda matches mienu etumi etodwa Ethiopia enso ene Mozambique ebo 0-0 sanso ana DR Congo enso ene Uganda enso etumi ekotia obi etumi anhye ekani bi 0-0 ana womo so etumi eboye ehwo endrata ana ne games out no enso etumi etoko so Africa setumi etina fie ama Senegal ekotwa wo meka ba ko a wo mo etumi ensimu age sanso no ana Madagascar enso etumi ehye Black Galaxies wo mo efri Ghana by 2-1 wo mo so etumi etimu ba kunti Ghana Black Galaxies wo mo so etumi enya wo mo first defeat enso e tournament na sia jetia won sem no enso ete eba na ye Sudan enso eni Morocco ana betumi esi aka ne mum sa kensi no entumi amba so referee ko gina ama ne match commission obi bia enso etumi ekokopie mu ehwa wo mo twen se dia football mranit no wo mo eye bibia 30 minutes wo mo etwen ya Morocco entumi enshow amiti se dia nioma akọ no officially ye betumi akan dia tuga se teams ake no o ka Madagascar o ka Ghana Black Galaxies sanso na Sudan obi bia enso betumi enya 3 points plus of 2 goals enso ehwo na nioma so etumi akonkan eno ne ensem a eno so ye de eba ene 2 games eba so no eye Mali womo sono ene Angola ane betumi abo ebo no 9 pepe Ghana time na sa game no enso betumi abaso enwumremu 7 pm no Cameroon womo ene Congo enso ane dia kensi no ebetumi ahyehye so ayede ahonsem ni nyina no enso ede eba yemremu enso ewo Europe ni ehwe the top 5 major European leagues no said ene no results out to me etoga over the weekend no yemfa ni nyina enso emfa embrewa yebevremu ewo the French League Championnat uremu matches outro ana no so etumi etodwa we no ye match day 19 ana no so eto akoso the French League ni mu a yete wonsem no eba Stade de Rennes notable ones no enso etena fie se kan ba ko a Paris Saint-Germain enso entumi anhye bi we no abere second defeat enso edema Paris Saint-Germain after 19 games no wo mo etumi elusi mienu a yete wonsem ni nyina enso ede eba Kamaldeen Suleiman na enioma nkonkan kra guy no onye bi mbo last game 90 minutes endrata enso 90 minutes na chesa brante no enioma ya akochim January transfer no so yi open inti ene no agent no onye bibia na nioma so no enkonkan fama Kamaldeen Suleiman Monaco eseka no enson ama AC Ayazio enso etumi ehyemu bakon hono a yete ahonsem ni nyina no enso ede eba no Olympic Lyonnais etna fiama Strasbourg Daniel Djiku and as Alexander Jiku enso etumi esiakan 90 minutes de ma Strasbourg womo nso etumi enya away emphatic victory womo nso de call Olympique de Marseille e was start develop drum e she kan miensa ama Lorraine enso etimu Bakon enso e she Ozore e kan Bakon a womo etumi esimu age Ghana ni abrantie Salis Ahmed enso etumi esiakan 90 minutes de ma Len sanso ana Gideon Mensah enso esiakan de ma Ozore a eneno Salis enso etumi nya nkunimdie no over Gideon Mensah jeti ya hunsem ni nyina no eba yenremu the Italian Scudetto ni ehwe results out over the weekend etumi ekos match day 18 results no say net AS Roma etna Stadio Olimpico ehwe Fiorentina by 2-0 womo etumi ensimu age Atalanta Bergamo etna Jewish Stadium enso eboyka no enwotwe 8-2 against Salernitana womo nso etumi enya emphatic victory enso ehwo a womo de eko Lazio ekoshe Sassuolo by 2-0 Inter Milan Giuseppe Meazza San Siro eshe kanaba ko Verona enso etumi esimu age na Lecce etina fieme oni AC Milan enso ekote 2-2 ana ne defending champions no in their quest so mbotumi defend the title no enwoma mu yare dem papa etiama AC Milan jetia honsem no epa SSC Napoli enso etina Naples Diego Armando Maradona Stadium epo ekanu enum ama Juventus enso etimu bakon Victor Osimhen ebo 2 goals Kvaratskhelia enso ebo bakon Ramani ebo bakon na Elmas enso Algeria no enso ede bakon ekanwa enyoma nyina enso etumi eko kama nso no ede ema ene Napoli enso eho sese Napoli nso no eguso a womo lead table no 47 points ana womo so ede that top a womo so eko Jeremu ewo La Liga Santander ni mu a teams ni bi akwa kopiemu enso ewo Saudi Arabia womo bo Supercopa de España na endrada ne no so etumi eba de wiye na few matches etumi ekos no Ameria enso ene Atletico de Madrid ebo 1-1 sanso na Real Sociedad de shekane miensa Athletic Club de Bilbao enso etumi etimu bakon Inaki Williams enso etumi esiakan enso edema Bilbao Celta Vigo enso ene Villarreal enso etumi ekote bako a yetia wonsem no epa so far having played 16 matches and 17 matches no teams ni bia bo 17 e bia bo 16 nemum FC Barcelona and edin kan a ono so ekutamba no 41 points Sansona Real Madrid eto mienu 16 matches ono so ekura 38 Sansona Real Sociedad 17 okura 35 ana eno so didi so sa enso elho Jeremu El Agrabli the best league and the most exciting league in the world the thrills and the action skills ni nyina no the English Premier League yenhwe results awoto a eno so etumi etoja over the weekend Tottenham Hotspur eno North London derby etumi eba so endrata Tottenham etina fie ama Arsenal the Gunners league leaders no ebe sheka ni mienu a womo etumi ensimu age Hugo Lloris goalkeeper edema Tottenham enso ebo ongo ana Martin Odegaard the Cesc Fabregas ene wetumi aba enso etumi ede ba kon eka ho ama ni omo etumi konkan after a long run Chelsea the Blues Graham Potter ne mrantie no enso ewo Stamford Bridge etumi sheka ne ba kon Crystal Palace entumi ensimu age Brighton friend no Kai Havertz etumi ebo oligo enso edema Chelsea nso etumi enya victory no enso ede eko sanso ana ubremu a Newcastle United ewo St James's Park no womuso etumi enya goal bako a eneno Fulham entumi ensimu age Brighton friend no Alexander Isak ana no so etumi ebo goal no ama noma etumi ekonkan Brentford ehye kan mienu Bournemouth entumi ensimu age Brighton and Hove Albion ewo Amex echi Liverpool Bournemouth kan miensa womo entumi ensimu age Brighton friend no match ebo 2 goals ana Danny Welbeck enso ede bakon eka ho ene Liverpool enso etumi konya sa nkuku no eho Everton ne nyoma nkonkan womo so etumi etena Goodison Park Lucy by 2-0 and as 2-1 ama womo timu bakon eho Ward-Prowse James etumi ebo free kicker na efiye papa obekaya de ode she David Gea ni bi pepe ana Brighton no ehye ne kama Nottingham Forest ebo ekani mienu Leicester City entumi ensimu age Wolves ehye kan bakon West Ham United enso etumi ensimu age Aston Villa etena Villa Park Police by 2-1 a big game etumi eba so Manchester derby enso etumi ekoso ewo Old Trafford the Theatre of Dreams enyoma etumi ekonkan ama Manchester United from from a goal down wɔn to me by winning by 2-1. Jack Grealish enya 60th minute goal edema Manchester City and Bruno Fernandes and so etumi enya goal no equalizer no edema Manchester United and sana inform Marcus Rashford and so ede winner no etumi etoso ama nyoma nyina and so etumi edema Manchester United so far having played 18 matches no say in a tier Arsenal the Gunners 47 points and wetumi enya and urema Manchester City ono so edimu 39 points and okrai Newcastle United oyi money no ye juma 38 points and Manchester United and 9 womo so 38 points we no mo ana womo complete in the top 4 no ama nyoma so no etumi akonkan e wo hono a jete wonsam ni nyina no enso e ba ye behwemu it was Supercopa de España and also to me so it was Saudi Arabia finals no it was between the Galacticos FC Barcelona and so any Real Madrid and to me echo finals no we no Supercopa de España Super Cup to me echo so and yenya ene El Clasico finals and so na at the end of the 90 minutes no na FC Barcelona the Spotify Camp Nou boys no to me at chere kan por miensa edu asa the White Angels Real Madrid womo so to me team back Karim Mustafa Benzema enya consolation edema Real Madrid after say Gavi to me about 2 goals na Pedri edeba kwa kan Robert Lewandowski enso etumi eshego manioma nyina enso etumi konkanti we no a payback time but this time round no eno so akwa trophy in the favor of any FC Barcelona obekaya La Liga womo first Clasico no Madrid winning by 3-1 ana we no so no asanso apeso na we no ana Xavier Chemso enioma etumi konkan papa enso edema game no se na enioma so no etumi konkanti yentie nsem Papa, your friend Javi Hernandez, etumi edi tuga after the game.
Yes, we are very happy, very satisfied. It means a lot for the supporters, for the club, for this project, for us as a staff, for the players. I'm really happy for the players, especially for the players. Since I took the team as a coach, since the first day they work really well and really hard. So today it's a perfect final for us. I'm really happy.
Yes, perfect final. And so Edema Javi and Emrantia Noa and Drada Omso to me win first trophy. Almost at the Echo Open Trophy. Javi Asia Kano or General Pa Uji La Liga J and what everywhere. Sansona Supercopa España no Utumi Agency and to winning as a player multiple times no and Drada as a manager was answer to me Aji and Annual Mansue to me a conkaina Brantia Baquandro Bueduma Pa Obueduma Papa Obekayana Eke a while ago no kanasem Ronald Araujo the Uruguayan international central defender etumi ebuejuma e make sure say chira wode obe prepare okra ono so edensem kakra tuga.
The last few years have been tough. I think this was a moment where we put our foot down. We've been working hard. We're seeing the results of our hard work now. The team is working well, and we're a family, and we're very happy that we were able to win this trophy. We had a great game. We worked really hard. We knew exactly what we had to do. Find the open man, keep the ball so that Madrid couldn't have it, obviously be aware of their counterattack, because they're dangerous up front, and we played well. We followed Xavi's plans to perfection, and I'm happy for the win.
Yes, you know, Ronald Araujo and the FC Barcelona, one more defender, and also Endra victory course no or the kakra etumi etuga. Hana brima kwan ma mono nsemo jebopo ano edi brew no jetini nyina ABC dino krobia santimi jemu diama eke na dwumedi awodo no nyina nso no etumi ato aso.
Okay, entino krobia sante ana manane nsam no obono papa orimu amane ebunyina enso no etumi area pai babedi nkomo enso no elfie babedi nkomo enso no elfie na se Vivian sono etimi akoso kama area ma Pasolo Paradise atena se Samson akrobia wa super wa ha right up tema enra bi bona basu sa za wa hye na mze hye bulletproof you a nkan hu bulletproof you go nkan hu right and so ba be din komo memo bia simanum na mano ne no mahwemu kakra na yemra fie focus ni nyina no ewo simanum na focus ni nyina black galaxies so na obia emedi ho no and comment no Facebook for no so no but me join live on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 Okuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook na mode agentchen e dey aba kwaku why sir I dey aba say keep the good work more fire Samsung Starboy the need dey aba I say watching the show live and clear at Half Mim Airport. Champion Kelvin, more fire. Congratulations to Barcelona for their victory against Real Madrid yesterday. Greetings to Yasma, Oyibo Boateng, Texas man, and my lovely father. No joke. Now, Starboy, no, my name team also support it. My name team also support it. And now, congratulations to Liverpool. I did congratulations to Arsenal. I did just my name Starboy. Team pa now support ya. Oh yeah, is honorable Kofi Bempo diaba. Honorable Kofi Bempo zo chao pa na yeah. The honorable suit no so foul. And for no misaka dilo. Chira picture of the day. Wa se bika. Wa kwa na nko ma o kra obi dia brave no se bi misao. Say o da o se ozo abro bo. O team na team. Ni na ba yehu na but also between agent channel and so na ya fa Facebook about YouTube and so on or the far back in camera WhatsApp SMS ninya no 055166 7755 055166 and 0270 191 971 solo wa mama solo akwa ba solo bibia kama
eke oba de adun bibia boko
oba nin akwara no ye
obia ehun ye as usual e dey awe bisa
o send there and the middle otna na minim gwa dem bisa
obia ehun ye pa
okay you run quickly menya no say simami
miensa no kra dos
okay amana ne ya be so touch ne be Galaxy 7 league no yeah
ba minchi ona minchi etiefo ne ahwefo awie Andrea Barcelona je 14th Supercopa de España trophy na Real Madrid dey hwe ni mo say anka ombeye ne toso 13 na anka agba no aye 13 but an yeye enso ntumi anfa ma mo en Xavi ne Mrante ne kire say yes omo modern mo no yade a e wo soro medikan kan wa last week ni mo say two teams no o compare omo mienu no performance recently Barcelona e wo soro esen club and the Real Madrid omo a kire say omo modern mo no e wo soro Xavi ani abrese this time around obey bibi de ma Barca oba the first season no man sheda nko yesa or the club no kopie mo e wo Champions League government to me anko ekoko ball Europa League and this time around the same thing but ohwe anim say season we no nyoma betumi akonkanti cup we bedding e dey ama Real Madrid especially say omo players no dodo no eko injury and afi so we omo na gidie ni sheda enimu bebre no entino na yade a nyoma betumi akoatia club and the Real Madrid ohwe lineup coach Carlo Ancelotti and Xavi na di wura mu na sure say Barca ekita equally good players and especially ayomo bench wonom o do compare Madrid bench na Eden Hazard obi an shede ni gidie ni sa Hazard mo ni na ye nem ne performance after say we free Chelsea Real Madrid Dani Ceballos at the bench Edema Madrid obi enem sene ya ne modern man enso etumi etie Edema Madrid team no enti say Toni Kroos be free na Dani Ceballos eba performance at Toni Kroos edebe man no and I say Luka Modric edebe man no Dani Ceballos entumi bembe that performance no but now Barca our equally good players obi to say Asmani Fati from injury oba no on share dan yan bad say no more Ferran Torres no so at the bench enti na Barcelona were players on the day omo dem money betumi akonkan so omo opportunity so omo performance no rise we game ni mu a the na game ni de na ye win e de ma Xavi and then Mrante no e that game no na be de ma Barca say Real Madrid say omo betumi add that particular trophy no that performance no e be room our league no man obi a encanto Barcelona this season La Liga ne de e be ko e de ama omo ma memra EPL nim Manchester United
Simami Ensana
kan baako we gramen be 30 seconds per na me Man United City enso to me na Old Trafford winning by 2-1 City ne di can be take lead in a true Abrante and then enso de Jack Grealish and Sana Bruno Fernandes and Marcus Rashford eba take kan second goal at the Man United. Man United after say omunya that victory no in some bebre sorry bad the fa Bruno Fernandes goal no yes say you offside yen to me sesa scoreline ni biom enti say na tebia no oh born there to me offside. Yes, but referees no say omu chire mu edu ba bia na you offside and ben so ko enti wo dey to me be bebre. United before this game na Oma chere say performance no ya dey etumi e konkan and now no da me kan wa say coach Eric Ten Hag
30 seconds
Oba United no 27 matches are no abono before say Omobebo City no we winning 20 matches and now the money ya dey na etumi e peja e dey Manchester United. Then Saturday Omuchi City now United pre our leg log no and so enye over here so to me akwaji EPL no but we United supporters say fence we tell me say akwaji EPL say beto o ma yes o to me age per points gap no be 9 points bi and the dominate Arsenal team no and so entem but say United yere no anye bia no season be we there tough for Manchester United and so
okay and you know solo no abonite wari amamo amano ne krobia bonite wa so Chelsea anra when your first victory I couldn't be about Jimani some bre
Blue is the color.
Hey.
Football is the game. We are all together and winning is our aim. So cheer us on through the sun and rain. Cause Chelsea is our name. Blue is the color. Football is the name. We are all together and winning is our aim. So cheer us on through the sun and rain. Cause Chelsea is our
Okomai Radio.
And winning is our aim. So cheer us on through the sun and rain. 'Cause
Okomai Radio.
Chelsea is our name. Here at the bridge,
Okomai Radio.
rain or fine, we can shine all the time. Home or away, come and see us play. You're welcome any day. Hey,
Okomai Radio.
football is the game. We're all together, and winning is our aim. So cheer us on through the sun and rain.
Cause Chelsea
is our name.
is our name. Oh, the Blues. The Blues.
I can't see about 1 minute.
Yeah, go fie. Yeah, go fie.
Where we are man.
Maybe. Maybe. And some were on TV or say interview near the war. So said they been time.
And Black Galaxies.
Okay.
I'm far against Madagascar. And here Championship for African Nations Chan tournament. Yeah, boy, and I lose by 2-1 against Madagascar.
Well, okay. I think that you bet you will be 1 second.
7 minutes.
Oh, okay. Now, young say Black Galaxies. This is a team I made for the first time. Yenya Galaxies are a big no see no more time. Yenya Galaxies are Eric Bekwe no more ejinemu bateki. This is the Galaxies team Mankasa. Me who say na F bajidi pa dia na mi didi wo mu na sunye pa. And she when na wo mo start wo mo preparations. Galaxies are preparations I would draw now, and this time round women had the opportunity to even travel more than twice outside the country. So we benya that environment and preparations are able to me abwa, particularly ahead of this Algerian Chan tournament na able to me akoso in a quest to say yebetumi age a team that the last 3 editions yentumi participate here, then ye runners up in previous ones I to me participate no ne hu be here said this time round yebeko all out with materials here, and this time yengenya 2 players even yeko at the mundial ewo eneno Qatar no yenya 2 players na wo ye involved na wo de wo more experience asanso aba ye wo former Black Stars players ye wo mo etumi enya collapse into the senior national team at this time round wo ye available to decide how wo etumi dey akọ per said their preparations in the koi o hwe how our qualifiers ekoi and that of friendly games bia ye etumi abo na bibia e show clear say and the tournament no ye betumi akọ ye nioma Black Stars they are nyina say Black Stars Kobo game and I say any other Ghana national teams Kobo game say slow starters, but this time round sad no who say enya dia a benefit from slow starting because always be a corner start slow ni benya winner enyoma nhye dan den enkonkan entini ehwe nim say Galaxy's team we ekuta players ayenim say yes indeed we and the best players ayen assemble across the country league aye boni nyina hwe 20 teams awoma provide and I say 18 teams awoma provide players ediama a national team locally based side na che say quality no e was ruye papa qualifiers aye ni Benin boy ye win 3-1 esanso ko share wo 1-0 e wo mo awo mu fie ye sanso etoko so Nigeria ye ma wo mo ha ye wo mo ko e ko share ye by 2-1 ye dey away go etumi qualify but take ya boy remu abo host of friendly matches ye nim say ye ne Ali etumi boy ye ne Algeria ebo friendly match ye ne Mozambique etumi ebo friendly match and we ni nyina e show clear indications say yes team no ewo right path with technical manner yenimu say wo mudibre no yeden e wosoro in ano worker odi team no enim no ano worker odi team no enim no yenimu ni competency eni ejuma wa ye in recent years edema Ghana football especially in the local scene yenyina yenhu ne modern ball with materials awenya ewo ene Accra Great Olympics yenhu no de wo maye then the time okosa matters yenim de oye Prosper na te ogum ebemu ejuma no obo edema wafa yenimu de oye obepie mu okotokwa odokotokwa eba baji league no then Bismarck Kobe Mensah ejuma no so ede Karela United etumia body this time round ye were these 3 solid technical men and as a coaches a wo mu lead yen team no ede akwa pie mu elho. What was the story Endra wa bra na ye make ye boy opening game e tournament ni mu a game and I say a group a consist of Madagascar, Sudan, and Morocco. Ye nyina yenim so anya hwe kra de Ghana Galaxies ankobo wo mo homoden kra e was a group we mu na tournament ya se kra de na enye ne team aye frɛ no Madagascar because Sudan obviously yenim say a very tough game aye betumi enya Morocco even already some of players nankasa we the supporters we as Ghanaians as a whole ye nyina yenim say Morocco aye one team no dey. It looks on paper say wo mo betwa Ghana etumi edi but ene yang are fortunate say Morocco etumi attend to the occasion and ye Sudan Madagascar and Ghana ebo and a team na in the group yenim say we benya 3 points na in that game against Sudan and that of Morocco utumi pick up a pointer na just 4 points utumi e de qualify and ramum na sa team ni mum and yakwa lose it to end. I think say before I may call into the match detail, I think the road is now over for the Black Galaxies. Womu betumi abafie. Womu next game on Thursday, probably Friday. We will meet them at the Kotoka International Airport. Na womu nso etumi ababebo womu amanie. So mbabebo amanie Black Stars ko e womu ntumi ababebo amanie bia. Enti yenhwe some of the players are womu nya contract ni ade wo outside na I don't know. So mbefa the route of Black Stars players said they are womu ye the likes of Bani no mo say womu wia Friday womu ba no womu bebe fie bi ana say womu so ebebu am kete mu etumi akwa pie mu eho iti okay I think say Endra me share lineup ni din ana me hu say problem e wo ho ye papa because Endra players ni bi so no underperforming so badly, especially Augustine Randolph. Check it 2 goals ni nyina individually. I think the players ni bi so into me and left one and Danlad Ibrahim me especially me share second goal no be ne attempt
The only
timing
problem
no
I had with
yes.
Danlad was distribution was on point, but time or the
Timing, no, yeah, and I mean- yes, and no, I mean,
I'm say no, and
Yes.
back. Oh,
Yes, and no na make us say timing no me no ne adea me hu say me share 2 goals na by ne pa membra yes ombra onko bi me share timing no the bar balls 2 balls ni nyina opie de by na me hu say in some way enya de onya sa 2 we no nyina no right e wo hono ma etumi leading to sa 2 goals na Ghana etumi consider but I know what can Andra me di ne ho ya kakra eke sa particular game check it said the anaye bo qualifies no Evans Owusu Jonah Atuke Efriye Bane me ye one person from the very first day even our house of go be ka ma ba be ye Efriye Bane ho adwuma wa ha se even Ghana ha e normal in football sa se me kai pa e normal in football say obenya player bi a ni profile no apeja because of media hype ene team a obo but ye wo players bi a wo mo ball these teams are enye kotokwa na hasa wo hwe adwuma wo mo ye better than Efriye Bane and then yes and then mesan so akabio Efriye Bane enye player always bia no eden ubetumi de na ball as center forward say main man ball embra no ombonhye but ye ni mu Efriye Bane say on the flanks oye adwuma no even ewo the number 10 rule awako bono Efriye Bane giving that opportunity obetumi abo ni ye but as an arrowhead no me mention that in huniye but Andra wingers papa bia ni team nim check winger be na
I
no
think Awako was coming
Yes.
coming back from injury.
so onya a very terrible game but me ehono metumi apade na Awako for that because no nya fit for that game no nya fit for that Jonah Atuke yes
who was Simba Sylvester more
yes
on the
into
bench.
me bisa se sa qualification na ye boy na Andra game no then na mass and you man sign this is not Algeria, this is not Morocco, this is not even Mali na uko game a ubo Nsobila ene Kasim Razak nyina e wo game ni mu wom I think say onya wrong because now she Jonah to
Nsobila was
yes
was totally
and it got to a time where me the last 20 minutes na player na adwene wo meeting aye Koji because boy Kotoko boy e Japan buy no even some minute no be boy or you more than 5 crosses so, Efriye Bane and the head ball na yes so you push Efriye Bane to the left side with the Jonah Atuke na Efriye Beba right side with the Jonah Atuke atwa Efriye Bane with the ball or cut it in na check Jonah Atuke or cut it in now Abranti aye friend no we Kofi Koji in the box and na say even Razak Yusuf now on Efriye Bane ball as 2 top no ono no kra na wo de ne be ball kra fine but wo Efriye Bane Razak Yusuf any Jonah Atuke I think Sanka that one would do than so compile all the players
about 7 forwards na ko
Chano Martin so bo wondra
ana be 9
okay Chano Martin
come goals bo ma combine na omo nyina forwards na ku nya just 8 goals
yes
forwards na edo omo ku nyina
sir
ana no only go kin chat at ya
Bright J no then born yes no but when munyina can be onipa no de amuye nu yenye Tanzania no beko Bright J resign from squad a womo de wom koe no ofimu kra ansa na womo yewe o ofimu
foundation solomrem na
so I think say ade how yempa no anowo kan selection or the co game no it was so poor to the ana players ni bi no individually womo am perform ye at all and ebeye den for the Sudanese that I know the best Ghana ebetumi enya Galaxy the best set one more give it their all one more die for the national shirt the best they could have against this Sudanese side and a draw and even that one the probability very low less than 40% say we to me even a draw with this Sudanese and Friday they probably able to me our come one more bar if you are they can blast that no set 2 case come on.
All right, news coming in Ejima Brandt former Santikoro player Christopher Nete on had to folk we Brandt and so no go sign a deal no and so no Ediama had to folk and run our stadium MET has board no but we are news about you Brandt Christopher Nete former Santikoro right back no Brandt and so secure deal with they had to folk solo Remo Galaxies na yema etie for nso number.
Yeah, okay, and you lose game no from your bench wo. Your technical coaches now omo your selection no. Wo hwe okwan omo fa so. At the starting 11 at the buy. Players are sure I say oh game no mu a. Na enya de eboa because wo hwe every bania on your typical number 9. Ye na ye nim. So to ball behind striker or your supportive striker and also be operating from wings. And so to me the aba. And we on any position. We hear Glass na Wako. We hear David Abagna. Some players we na no position ya baako. Our pitch also. Na our number 10 for. And then David Abagna first half maybe I started no Emmanuel boy from wings wo. Then ya dia na eboa no. And the answer there who the performance ni first half no till say ye Glass na Wako different and sana yes in the position and say ye who say obobo bi kakra coaches no starting 11 na mboa and when so am ye who the performance our clubs no so denadi and a Ghana football no that yeka kwa na ekọ fam ekemra so hwe game no a Ghanaian players and to make more passes and to also buy 4. Oje bonana wate ahwe. Omoje ya no mate ahwe. But before the game, mo ba be warm up. Mo ni mo say park na so afọ. Boot no enti die na ya fa ho. Poor pitches ni esi so akan wo ba mu ha. Enti ye na ye kada da bia ye be kwa. Efie nkosi hwe. Because so who see akan wa Cross Sports Stadium. Stadium nankasa ni mu no pitch ni nya papa na ya san so de ma concert for edi so agora enya dia player no obebobo papa bia hwe Tamale Sports Stadium na no ada Tamale Cities versus Kumasi Santokoko hwe pitch no ni aye
wait in the message about solo t or say okay it's me I stagger inside latte Black Galaxy has no issue because if you are owing me how can I play from my heart
and nobody yes a case but enya no asamumpo lose na you lose you know that bonus na some no crowd the men who baby eke ejina ye league no performance so league no kwan ye fa so eye ni ye wa eno ya nse dey who tactics bia we coaches no wo players no so ya nse dey who ball bi o mo boy ye say na ye nimu am from qualifiers nim eni be pie mu am friendly matches before the tournament o mo e boy ye ma ye hu ye no enye sa and to me, I call and drag game them. And then tactics be an year juma. Interpositional changes be a year juma, our young game with him. Tinkon ball and then dry a boy. Send a colocone has a bomb or wahano, claps in the bomb or wahano, Sanqua, and then of course.
I mean, I phone lines, no, nah, but was not you are any John Mark game, you know, because I know to my fraba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and at 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and also no ofreba ebe je so na fin so no wadi enkomo ewa ha hello
good afternoon
bacho dini baby afrefi
Chimika Timo Kasati Royal Junction
Master Tiemo bibia kama
nyame adum boko na wonso e
nyame adum bibia boko mama di nkoma ne enko
yo mate ne michawo ni wabegu afo nyina yakopon shira mama fishi apanso what can say kana what the Black Galaxy and counter won dey lose here and also can be because most of the person Reverend President ka beka tell we say nanchina opuru ebro no want to kill na no na nipa na oye juma na ma no we juma no koso na otan ekwade neka and I'm taking one because ade one boot na was selling boot enya na the problem one na when you about what situation and so enya na and I to say this what to do born and that the who should the women na about friendly matches now we winning and that's a different thing and we juma ye pa yakopon shiram
Yankopon Sha Master Tiemo from Royal Junction with my far about 0551 667755 0551 667755 and at 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 now so afra ba hello
yeah hello
good afternoon bacho dini baby afrifi
yeah good afternoon Stagger, when I'm reading message nearby.
Stagger.
Yeah.
Latte
so
was
Latte.
all.
Yeah, but so I knew Iki.
Mind you.
Yeah. What? Nye Ghana Premier League na maybe obi ehu a ye the team ni ko be bia e be effective. She park, she Dreams Park, she stadium, she Accra Sports Stadium, she mo park. Na mo the mark concept for ball no mo so mo wi ama mo bobo so mo san wi mo san the team na ko be bi se mo ko bobo. Eki ya say ya na ye ko na dia Black Star kwa ehu so mo pa mo fa team bia nko mo so mo nsie Ghana League na ye hu so mo ni nyame adwuma.
Stagger also nyame entina 0551 667755 0551 667755 solo now do vanu isina me
yeah okay mami fancy Andrew there every ebani say
anon le yon fancy mami fa kola we answer hello good afternoon bacho dini baby afefi
we pacho kwasi fianko ne latte ku apem
kwasi fianko me je di se latte e bo kwa wie
nyame adom ye ho ye papa
mahinti o
ofeni se nyame bra na ofredi kan se Black Stars players na won bobo pitch papa sumbu wo kwa ekosi sen na wo e wa ha no ma he pitch a wo bobo wo so o hwe Ghana yi park a wo bobo wo so ai bu a ko to kwa asene ya yi ntreko na edidi wo so park ni bi atia Obobo kwentimi nkwayi na Black Stars fo na obobo agotine park papa so kro wan hu so na we nti obobo park we so na de no kopie sa Algeria wana wakosia park papa no be da abo enye nti won san bra na toto ye ne mai das
yes ya da say kwesi fianko from latte ano so no aginche no solo 15 seconds am ko Jomako
omo nhihye ye for next game no munya 3 points in Fema Ghana and pay because e do be a selection no a free ban here say obobo ne de akwan enya contract bi no obo e de akope wa sign the contract in that enye ne so wi a wo ko Switzerland enti so wo hwe a e do be a ye yin mfrim Augustin Boache te bench Kotokuro ya striker no and re do be ni ehun no anaso Kofi Koji ye hia striker bi obede ahoden ebeba Madagascar for defenders and so but ni enya obi asa
okay
and the coaches ni nya selection no wrong ye players no so no draw performance no munyo mo bad day team ni nya ne bad day performance na nko yie and a leg ni sunsun so no say ya na beba no
all right enti ano pass solo and so I don't know John Mark na CEO Edma McFadden Enterprise all right McFadden graphics yes ono CEO na aropai da ba sore ya ukopie mo Twitter handle Edma brand ababawa did Priscilla Archery ono Priscilla Black Queens player essentially na kind and so Edma Mataya Sport Turkey Priscilla Twitter handle say I'm very happy to announce a partnership deal with McFadden at John McFadden 7. McFadden will be co-working with me personally for my online outlook on here. And I say, Priscilla Archery, Black Queens player, and I feel so Mataya Sport, Turkey player. I don't know. My name is John Mark. About the deal, no, and that's a partnership. Yes, partnership deal, no. And they at the same, John Mark, Mama Kwaba.
Yeah, anyway.
BBI fine.
Yeah,
boy, where? Deal no partnership deal no between Ababawa and the Priscilla. Deal no about them.
Oh, it's about partnership. I mean, Ekoi online, and hopefully, Oba breaker and I bet that silly deal, no.
Okay.
But we have started working, and the motive is to brand anything around him online.
Okay.
Inti nia obeye bia wo page ne so a edin kunim dia ba no. Yebe packaging no kama.
Okay.
In the graphic form. Na selling no more.
Okay. Maybe that's then out to me it's key. That deal no because you know top player with Black Queens and I feel so no got take in the league and and more more so securing this deal no about then out to me secure that deal.
There's this guy called Kofi Guy or a photographer for female football.
Oh, okay.
Or Ghana League name.
Yeah.
Or a Juama GFA.
Yeah.
So I confronted him on Twitter and I obisa me what I can do to help women's football. And I made a tone on him. So right from there, he gave me the contact, which is the social media handles of Priscilla, and a movie from there.
Oh, okay. And I know so follow Priscilla. Yeah, but
Sure.
this season and as any performance in Canada. It's
Unzo attacking midfielder and assisting the Obubogu Musa. See, 2 goals and Kakra and Kraye push. He said near exposure when you Champions League about 5 matches. Why she 1 goal, 1 assist back, which is giving her the exposure. Say African or even Ghanaian female players can also make it in Europe.
Oh, okay. Do you think that partnering Baba one in other person then over born Beboama or branding or no branding in a grow?
Sure, me believe in football, and I always channel some part of my craft, which is the graphic design, to most especially footballers. And so many of this opportunity, I didn't take it as a joke because girl talented already. Yeah. So 2 talents merging together. I hope and pray that it will open other doors for McFadden, and at the same time it will open other great doors for Priscilla Ochi.
Okay. Every time you be remember deal na kase mu na ya hwe send a deal na ten zika some na ade
kakra
oh. Okay. Priscilla Ghana na so go back to Turkey.
Turkey.
Yeah. Oh, okay. And Turkish league no so no born more than pa mu na ya hwe say every time Priscilla Ghana ya den beba na any needing come na deal you finalize bibia send you know but that's say we no din come. Okay, and you know John Mark I see you at McFadden graphics and you know your partnership deal about sanity and account be I'm you know Juma no brand no say then it grew up on a Baba one the Priscilla Ochi Black Queens player and I feel so player the Mama Tires and as Hataya Sport I will take it to secure sa partnership deal no brepem e be wura na ya so no yatumi edin komo and so na obare de besi nya ya me boa chena ba nya beto so na sekese confirm executive producer yeah, Kofi Anton bar for Samson Nana Kofi Okorajiman and you know the boy Nana Kwame Perry Club Yasante Ziggy B and you know a boy Chidomara Finso Pasolo Paradise the writer and so supporting a job pokia Eonam and also the tie in the ID Jumedino and so by Medim Kelvin and Ponta you frame making so I'm so what when you have fresh live on Facebook when you know Yankopon and so in Shamuamuti Ofin so no Yankopon come home now I am kissing I'm a boy chana Ibisha na nkomo bia wo no yedi muchum